drop top for some summer fun. Just in it, unique, specialty, and classics. 1963 Chevrolet Nova Convertible, otherwise known as Chevy 2s. This particular car was originally a 6-cylinder. Now, of course, the Nova Chevy 2s in this body style model year can only get a 4-cylinder and a 6-cylinder. Has been updated with a small block Chevy underneath the hood, and we'll get into that in a minute. But original 6-cylinder car. I'd kind of call it a cherry red metallic, not like a blood red, kind of a cool color on this car. And paint is very presentable, does look good in person as well in the pictures in the video here. You can see the reflection off the ceiling and the lights, luster from the paint, nice shine. Take a look at this front bumper, also looks like it has been redone recently. Take a look at the grille and the bright work, see what kind of condition they're in. Now, I mentioned small block Chevy underneath the hood, 283 V8 underneath there, and that is paired up with a Power Glide automatic transmission. Now remember, you can always give us a call at 507-386-1726. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there. Probably over 100 pictures of this car online, I would say. Take a look up and down passenger side here. Doesn't appear to be much for nicks, dings, scratches, same as in the front. Like I said, paint looks pretty fresh on this one. This is the way we got this car in. Black vinyl interior, also in nice shape. You can see the shifter for that Power Glide is on the floor. Bucket seats up front. A little aftermarket gauge cluster. Other than that, pretty stock looking dash. Exception of the radio has been changed a little bit there also. It does have a white vinyl top. It is power. Top is in nice shape. Before this video ends, we're going to put that up too so you can check it out. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Wanted to pop the trunk and show you too. I left the keys in it, so I would remember to do that. But let's check out this chrome bumper on the rear, also in nice shape. Appears that has been re-chromed. Other bright work around the trunk, also in nice shape. Let you get a good look at that. All right, I'm going to pop this because it is very neat and tidy back here also. This is glued down like with a double-sided glue. It's kind of a small felt mat. I'll give you an idea on the trunk on this one also because it was so nice. All right. Get around to the driver's side here. And again, you can see the reflection from the paint. Tell the paint's in nice condition. Up and down the driver's side, also pretty free of nicks, dings, scratches that you'd notice. Of course, have some SS badging on here and the SS style wheel covers. All right, let's check out the interior of this. We're going to fire it up. See how it runs too. Alright, start with the door panel. Nice shape, carpeting in good condition. Check out the vinyl seats. I don't see any holes or really much of any wear on them at all. Alright. Grab the keys and let's fire this up a second here. So easily that started. And again, 283. Got 4-barrel Edelbrock on it. Nice sounding. Got aftermarket gauge cluster. Also wanted to mention wipers do work. Take a look at the dash. Once again, again, power top works. All right, slip around behind this and hear it run. Sounds pretty healthy. Of course, it doesn't take a lot to make these cars go. They're not a large, heavy car, so you put a little horsepower to them and they're quick. Nice throaty rumble coming out of that V8. All right, come up to the front. Let's pop this hood. Let's check out the engine bay and then we'll put the top up for you too. Hold on a second while we get this open.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Nice low idle. Look how smooth that runs. Aluminum radiator up front. Like I said, Edelbrock 4-barrel on top of that 283. Dressed up with the chrome valve covers. You hear how smooth that runs. HEI ignition. All right, I'm going to pause this one more time, button up that hood and get that top up so we can check that out. And the top up for you to take a look at. Like I said, white vinyl. From what I could see, looked like good condition. Just a little bit of discoloring back here. But as far as keeping it dry, out of the sun, gonna serve the purpose there. Most of the time you're gonna be driving around in this car with the top down, hair in the wind. Hopefully if you got hair. Nice and tight up front here. Latched well, like I said, power top, power went up. Fine, 100 zone power. Worked good. 1963 Chevrolet Nova convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Find over 100 pictures of this car online. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.